Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I'm in London, Ontario, and I'm on Wellington Street at the other Suds car wash. They have two here in London. One's on Dundas Street. I reviewed that quite some time ago, years ago actually, and this is the one on Wellington Street. Truth be told, I was actually here a few weeks ago, can't remember how long now, and to review this. And it was closed for whatever reason, whether it be maintenance or I don't know. But the entrance, it's kind of it's really compact in here. You enter in off the road there, and then you kind of go in behind where I am, down this little road here, and you kind of drive around behind all these vacuums, which is what all these hoses are, by the way, and you'll see. We'll go this way, and then you enter in where the entrance sign there says. But then they've got this other section that you come in. They got a little gate here, and you pull in, and they've got all these vacuums. I'm assuming the vacuums, I guess, are free, maybe for people that use the car wash. They even have air, tire filling station, air for your tires and that. Yeah, so it's extremely windy today, so when I get out of this van, you're going to hear a lot of wind noise, so I apologize in advance for that. The van's relatively dirty, so we'll give this car wash a bit of a test. So let me get out and we'll have a look around. You can see chunks of dirt here. That'll be, that's on there relatively good, so we'll see if it gets that off. The rest of the van isn't too bad, actually. You can see a little bit of dirt on the back and that. Side's not all that bad. We'll see even the running boards and that. This is really dirty on here. Let's see if it gets that off. That might be a little tricky. This guy here, I don't know what he's doing. He's been maneuvering and maneuvering, trying to, I don't know if he's changing lanes or what he's doing. All right. Put on the seatbelt so we don't hear all the dinging. I'm gonna guess maybe that one pay station's not working or something. That's why he had to maneuver out, and so I'm gonna choose his lane. This is also a Jiffy Lube and a tire station and everything as well. It's all kind of attached. Yeah, I don't know what that is over there, unless they have two lanes. I'm not sure. Looks like it's gonna be a wash world. All right. When I get my card ready. So, we want to buy a wash. Oh, not many choices. You either get a basic for $11.99 or you get the triple action wash. So see, and it says includes free use of the backyard. And the backyard is this area that I showed you that has all the vacuums and that. So I don't need vacuums, but we're going to do... Wow, look at this. Alright. Well, this is what I do for my viewers. So far I'm at $14.99. So we'll get the raincoat protectant. That brings it to $17.99. We'll get the tire shine. Let's see how good that does. Now we're at $20.99. And salt away. This neutralizes road salt and stuff. Now we're at $23.99 for a grand total of $27.11. Holy macros. So, I guess we're done with the extras. Yep. Insert card or whatever. Alright, just going to turn away. Alright, I just used the tap. There's my receipt. Alright, please wait, the wash is busy. Alright. So that's going to be one of the most expensive car washes I've ever done. And let me show you. Alright, so there's the, if I can focus, there's the address, and shows you that's the top wash that I got for $14.99, and it's got the raincoat, tire shine, salt away, all $3 each, $23.99 with tax, $27.11. So yeah, definitely one of the most expensive car washes I've ever gotten. Maybe it is the most expensive, I don't remember, but this is up there, so I figure I might as well get all this, and then for anybody that's coming, you can see if it's worth the buy or not. So I'll see if this guy's leaving, and I'll start it back up. Alright, so his door just opened. Oh, this person's going in this one. What the heck is there? I wonder if these are both the exact same washes or not. They must be. I'm guessing. Huh. I want to back up a little bit and see if I can see in here. See if that's the same. I'm trying to see. Must be. It's gotta be the same, and nothing. It's not like anything. There's any sign saying one's touch and one's touchless or anything like that. So they both gotta be the same systems. They just have 2 lanes for it. For whatever reason, he was. I was gonna say, this door better be opening soon. The guy's long gone. Alright. So there's the salt away sign there. You can see the big tire brushes along the bottom there. Okay. I don't know if you're able to hear it too. It was telling me to drive forward and please put car in park and that. So it's got all the voice prompts. And it's also telling me what's being applied. Look at that, it came right over top. It did the pre-soak and then followed right behind it with the trifle. Huh. what's going on. Everything just kind of stopped here. Got these LED lights on the sides. Oh, it's got another brush down there. You can hear it hitting my antenna. You got these two arms going now. It reminds me of like the condors. Must be like a, it says raincoat, but almost, to me it's almost more like a surface protector or something. Oh yeah, it could be like the Rain-X style. That's probably what it is. Ooh, we got the back window good. This is probably, yeah, this is the spot for your rinse. Alright, telling me to drive forward. You can see the brushes coming in on the ground there. I'm assuming they're going to go wider because I'm going to drive over top of them. This is probably what's going to polish the tires, give it the shine. See the hoses in that. turn coming out of here. Whoa, don't want to take out their sign. Okay. Alright, let me go back over here where I was. We'll get out, we'll have a look. Well, technically, I guess I could have went into the backyard thing. Actually, you know what? Maybe I will do that. I paid for it. Might as well use it. Whoa, I just fit in here. Alright. I could vacuum out the inside of my van, I guess, here. Why not? Usually I do it at home. Alright, let's get out and have a look. Oh. Alright, well, I got all that heavy dirt off. Look at how shiny the van is. Looks really good. Tires look really good. A little bit of dirt here. Didn't get the very back. These hoses are in the way. Let me just step back here. Yeah, everything else is really, really clean. Tires, everything looks good. Yeah, the only spot it missed was the very back there. And even like from here up it did okay. It was just this bottom part it missed. Alright, well, let me get inside where it's not windy. I'm gonna vacuum it out here. I just want to give you my final thoughts. I mean, it's pricey. Like, to me, $27 is expensive for a car wash, but well, people that don't mind paying the money and, you know, want the added protection and stuff, then I guess it's good. But I mean, for a cargo van, would I do it? No. But yeah, at least it gives you guys a chance to see what you get out of that. So hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this. What would you get? So you saw the options in that. Would you get any of those 3 extra options, or would you just do the regular wash? Tell me what combination you would get here, and let me know if you liked it. Wash World systems are pretty good. I usually always have really good luck. A little disappointed in the very back of the van. That kind of shocked me a little bit. But anyways, that's my only fault with it. So hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate everyone watching. I'm going to take a picture of this, put it up on Instagram, so all you guys follow me on Instagram will know that I just reviewed this. And yeah, like, subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you're notified. And look at this. I just found something else out here. Look at this. They have a spot here. Green towels, black towels. This is black towels are for wheels and tires, and the green towels are for windows, exterior and interior finishes and that. So they have these towels that you can use back here. I guess it's part of the thing to, I guess, wipe down to dry your car. And then they just have the bins here, towel return, and then also garbage and that if you have stuff in your vehicle. That's really cool. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Anyways, yeah. So if you've watched this to the very end, comment down below towels, and then I'll know you saw the very end of this. All right? Take care, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.